Can we go to the playground? Yes, please.
Okay, get ready.
Let's go together.
I love the playground. Me too.
But remember safety rules.
Be careful always.
I will play on the slide. I like the swing.
Play safe, okay?
Yes, Dad. Wow, this is fun! So many games! Wait, listen first.
Rules are important. Walk on the slide.
Do not run.
Be careful.
Okay, I understand.
I am going slowly. This is easy. Good job.
Keep it safe.
I am going slowly. This is easy. Good job.
Keep it safe.
I want to go fast. Running is more fun. No, Tom. Be careful. It's okay.
What happened?
Are you okay?
I fell down. It hurts a lot.
Sit down, Tom.
Stay calm.
We are here.
It is a small scrape.
There is some blood.
I am scared. It will be okay.
We clean the cut.
Water will help.
It feels cold. That
Is normal. We clean the cut. Water will help.
it feels cold. That is normal. I am okay now.
You are safe.
Be careful next time.
I will. I am okay now.
You are safe.
Be careful next time.
I will. I am okay now.
You are safe.
Be careful next time.
I will. Here is a Band-Aid.
This will protect it.
Thank you. You are brave.
Why did you run?
I made a mistake. I should listen.
Yes, always listen.
I will do better. This is still fun. Yes.
Safe play is best.
Always. I learned something. What did you learn? Follow the rules.
Good boy.
This is fun and safe. Perfect.
We are happy.
Today was a good day. Yes. You learned a lesson.
That is important. Safety is important.
Always. We are proud.
Good job, Tom.